A tree that cries white blood. What if I told you there's a tree that bleeds white milk when you cut it, and that mysterious liquid helps make everything from your car tires to hospital gloves? It sounds like science fiction, but it's completely real. Hidden inside tropical forests, the rubber tree produces one of the world's most valuable natural materials. And the journey from a drop of white sap to everyday products is far more fascinating than you might imagine. Let's uncover the incredible story behind natural rubber. Meet the rubber tree. The rubber tree, scientifically known as Hevea brasiliensis, originally comes from the Amazon rainforest in South America. Today, however, most of the world's natural rubber is grown in countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. These trees can grow over 100 feet, 30 meters, tall in the wild, but on plantations they're kept smaller for easier harvesting. A healthy rubber tree can keep producing rubber for 25 to 30 years, making it one of nature's most productive factories. How does a tree make rubber? Here's where things get amazing. Inside the bark of the tree are tiny tubes filled with a milky white liquid called latex. This isn't the same latex used in synthetic products, it's completely natural. The tree creates this latex as a defense system. If insects or animals damage the bark, the sticky liquid flows out and quickly seals the wound, almost like the tree is healing itself. Nature invented this protective system millions of years before humans discovered its value. How is rubber collected? Collecting rubber is an art known as tapping. Before sunrise, skilled workers carefully make a thin curved cut in the bark without harming the tree. Almost instantly, the white latex begins to drip into a small cup attached below the cut. Each tree produces only a small amount every day, so thousands of trees are tapped to collect enough latex. Because the cut only reaches the outer bark, the tree stays alive and continues producing latex for decades. From liquid sap to solid rubber, fresh latex looks like milk, but it doesn't stay that way for long. At processing factories, workers add a mild acid that causes the latex to clot into soft rubber sheets. These sheets are washed, pressed through heavy rollers, and then dried using warm air or smoke. The result is strong, flexible natural rubber that's ready to be transformed into thousands of useful products. Rubber is everywhere. Natural rubber is all around you, even if you never notice it. It's used in car and airplane tires, medical gloves, shoe soles, rubber bands, balloons, sports equipment, conveyor belts, seals, hoses, and even earthquake-resistant building supports. In fact, many industries still rely on natural rubber because it's more flexible, durable, and heat-resistant than many synthetic alternatives. Without rubber, modern transportation, healthcare, and manufacturing would look completely different. The amazing ending. So the next time you see a car tire or stretch a rubber band, remember, it all began as a drop of white sap flowing from a living tree deep in a tropical plantation. Nature quietly created one of the world's most useful materials long before humans ever existed. Sometimes, the greatest inventions aren't made in factories, they're already growing in forests. If you love discovering incredible facts hidden in everyday life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing stories here on Nex Fact.